This video discusses what an IT operating model is and aims to explain the main differences between an ITOM and a business operating model. People often use the terms business model and IT operating model interchangeably, when actually they're very different. While they're both models that describe the way something operates, and indeed they depend on and support each other, they each have a very different purpose and are used in very different ways. In its simplest terms, a business model is a strategic design of how an entire business operates. It looks at how value is generated and describes the capabilities that a business needs in order to operate and ultimately achieve its business objectives. An IT operating model, however, describes how an IT organization needs to operate in order to support the business in meeting its objectives. In its simplest terms, an ITOM can be viewed as the operational blueprint for IT. Amongst other things, it describes the organizational structure, governance, capabilities, technology, and suppliers that make up IT. When thinking about an ITOM, it's really important to look at it holistically, starting at the top and considering all of the different components that need to work together. A mistake I all too often see is people starting at the bottom, for example, starting with the technology or the processes, and then trying to work upwards in order to understand how the organization functions and make changes. This bottom-up approach very rarely works, but more on that in a later video.